We've looked at how AR, VR, XR are finding their ways into sales through the stories of Warby Parker, IKEA. We looked at some of the financial companies, Citibank and others. We looked at how Virgin Holidays is using it. We just looked at how Lockheed Martin and Airbus are building in mixed reality, also called XR, into their overall marketing services, or the way they market their products. I want to switch now to the third component of a good CRM system, sales, marketing, customer service. I want to switch to the customer service side. And in this next video, you'll see how a company is providing customer service, in this case on the factory floor, to one of its customers. But I want you to extrapolate and think how your company could use this particular, it's actually a VR application to support your customer service efforts in multiple ways. So this is a video to kind of get you thinking.
This is a new vision for work. Now employees can work smarter and bring in the people they need with just a tap. They can troubleshoot, repair, and perform with confidence and speed. They can move freely, pull critical information into view, and stay focused on the task. Their hands free to do the work. This is collaborative problem solving at full speed. Your people, united across time and distance, more connected, more informed, and more efficient. Now employees can work together from anywhere. They can go there without being there. This isn't the future. This is here and now.
So as Tim alluded to earlier on, this isn't the future. This is here now, and it really is. Because if you look at current impact of AR and particularly VR and even XR on customer service, it's in the process of revolutionizing both customer service and other parts of what might be called post-sales support. So for those of you that are in the customer service side of your company or creating the strategy for that, imagine having tools that can decrease a technician's dispatch using AR remote assistance by 17%. It's huge amounts of money. ExxonMobil is a customer of ours. I want to tell you how much they spend, hundreds of millions in technician dispatch. But imagine 17% of that as they use AR remote assist.